Hi guys, welcome you guys to my YouTube tutorial. On this today, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to make the trending Aso Oke with tassel at the down part. So this is the tassel. This is 2 dozen of tassel, and this is the gele that we are using. We are going to be using two pattern of gele. So this one will be the middle, while this one will be the two sides. So now the measurement I'm going to be using, the gown length is 47. It's not nail length, it's like 3/4 gown length. Is 47. The bust is 38. The waist is 35. The hips is 42. While the around arm is 14. All these measurements are not needed. What I just needed here is the full length, which is 47. So now for the center, I'm going to be using these two design. For the center, you are going to lap it on each other and so, and this one will be the two side. This will be the two side. So now what I'm going to be doing here, this one is 2 at the center, while this one will be 2 at the two side. So for this, I'm going to cut length 47. The normal length is 47. So I'm going to be cutting out 49 for the length. So I will cut out 2 for the front, and I'm also going to cut out 2 for the back. For this pink, I'm going to cut out length 49 also, 2 for the front, which is into 4 places now for the front, and the back too. So I'm going to cut 49 by 8 pieces. So I've cut out the length that I want. The normal length is 47, so I cut out 49 by the length. I cut out 2 for the middle of the front, and I cut out 2 for the two side. This is 2 for one side, this is 2 for the second side. So you just take it to your sewing machine, you join this side together this way, and you also join these two to it. So it determines how wide you want the cloth to be. So this is another 2, you join it to this side. So this 2 also, you join it to the other side. So after joining, let me first of all join it, and you also join the back. This for the front, I also join the back this way. So now I've joined the both side. This is the middle, which is these 2 lay on each other, and this is 2 at this side, this is 2 also at the other side. So what I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to cut the neck of the front and neck of the back. So let me use this one for the back. I'm going to use 3 inches by wideness, 3 inches by wideness, and 1.5 for the deepness of the back. It's going to come this way. So this will be the back, and I'm also going to cut the front. So 3 inches for the wideness of the front, which is the neck wideness, and the deepness is V shape. So 3 inches for the wideness of the neck, and deepness is 7 inches. This is 7 inches, so it's a V neck. So you just have to bring it this way and cut. So I've cut it out now. I want to use this pink gele for the neck. This is the pink. So you are just going to place it this way. Make this place straight on one side, maybe like half side of it. You're going to stand straight this way on it. You leave excess at the top. So when you get to this place, you know this is the edge now. This is the edge here. If you want to cut it out, you just add half inches there. This is my half inches here. So I will just cut it equally with this. So this is the way I will cut it. You cut it equally here. Sorry. So the way it is, the shape that it is, that's how you are going to cut the other side. You are cutting two for it. You are going to cut two exact way it is. So now after joining it, let me open it widely this way. You are going to join this center together. You are going to join it together 1/2 inches. After joining, use it to turn it from inside and bring it back outside. So this is the way it will be. So now let's go for the back button. So for the back cutting, this Aso Oke is coming down straight like this. What you have to do is just to join these two together by the length of the neck deepness that you want. You join it together this way. So you use it to cut out your neck and the deepness of your neck and the wideness that you want. So now I've joined the joining, which is the one that added 1/2 inches here. So if you can see the way I'm placing it now, this is the way it will be on your neck. So what you have to do is just to sew it from the inside and reverse it back to the front and to stitch the upper part, which is here, and to stitch it down. So if you want to add tassel to the front, you can just add it. So for the front, for the back, sorry, so this is the back. I've joined these two pieces together. Let me measure the length. This is by 11, the wideness of the gele into 2 by 11. So you join it at the center. So you now pick the back of your dress. So you double fold this one too into 2. So we're going to cut it like this way. I've cut it out. So I just come down by any measurement that you want, the deepness of the back. So this is it. So just use it to turn the back and reverse it outside the way you are doing the front. So you just have to bend the edges of this back like this. So after bending it and joining it, you just hold the two shoulder together. So I've joined the shoulder together and I've weave it, because you know with this kind of cloth the thread will be removing. So after joining, I now have to put another Aso Oke for the sleeve. So the length is 20 inches, so which means the back part will be 10 inches while the front part will be 10 inches. So as you can see, this is the way it is. So I'm just join it this way downward. So when I get to the down part, I'm going to measure like 8 inches upward to open it. I want to open the down part a little, or you can use 10 inches. I want to open this place. So we just join it to this place and stop it. So and just bend the edges. After bending, you attach your tassel to it. So thank you guys for watching my video. See you on my next tutorial. Bye.